The ocean remains the most mysterious place on our planet. Over 95% of it is still unexplored. This leaves us wondering, what could be hiding at those unreachable depths? Over the years, scientists have captured many strange underwater sounds. And to this day, some remain completely unexplained. I recommend putting on your headphones to fully experience these sounds. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most famous underwater sound, the bloop. Many of you have probably heard it, though rarely in its original recording. First captured in 1997 by a hydrophone in the Pacific Ocean, this mysterious sound was so powerful it was detected nearly 5,000 kilometers away. Here's what it actually sounded like. Some believe it was a blue whale, but never in recorded history has a whale's call traveled that far. Others suggest it was a hybrid creature or an unknown marine species. For now, the bloop remains a mystery. Next, the eerie sound known as upsweep, first detected in 1991. What's strange about it is its seasonality. It's louder during the fall and spring than in winter and summer. Since it was first recorded, it's been getting quieter over the years. Here's a sped-up version for you to hear. Some say it's linked to underwater volcanic activity, but the origin remains unknown because of the great depths and strange seasonal patterns. In March 1997, another bizarre sound was captured, dubbed the train because it resembled a distant locomotive underwater. There's very little information about it. But one theory suggests it was caused by an iceberg scraping the ocean floor. Others believe it may have come from an unknown deep-sea creature, hidden between massive icebergs. Every year we discover new species, so who's to say what's really out there? Since 1999, hydrophones have picked up another sound near the South American coast, known as Julia. The sound is so loud and haunting that some theorize it's created by a massive underwater creature. Here it is. Decide for yourself. Skeptics point to underwater volcanic activity, but some claim that NASA satellite images showed a massive shadow in the ocean where Julia was recorded, a shadow as big as the Eiffel Tower. No official explanation was ever given. And now, the strangest sound of all, the slow down. Recorded in May 1995 near the Antarctic Peninsula, this sound stretched over thousands of kilometers. It's like something straight out of a horror movie. The frequency steadily drops over several minutes. Some believe it's caused by the massive cracking and sliding of icebergs, but no one knows for sure. These were just 5 of the many strange sounds from the depths of our oceans. The ocean is vast, and according to some estimates, we've explored only 5% of its sea floor. What creatures could be hiding down there? Maybe something even bigger than the blue whale. Only time and exploration will tell.